discuss the material is about problem of teacher and students in Indonesia. Before that, let me introduce our team. Start from me. I'm Suci Asda Mutia Siregar as moderator, and my friends.
I am Jita Kristina Sukumea. I am Grace Anita Murba.
I am Nixon Hasan.
So here we go. Okay guys, we got the news in Indonesia that there was a problem with teacher regarding how to teach. And then, can you explain how the way the teacher is teach with the lack of enthusiasm of the students?
Well, after we research, we found an article about teacher what is monotonously. Will is one of the vocational scholar in an Indonesian language teacher. Let's tell her Mrs. Dina. Nah, jadi setelah kami cari-cari, ternyata kami mendapatkan artikel di mana di salah satu sekolah, tepatnya SMK, ada seorang guru bahasa Indonesia, lebih tepat bisa kita bilang namanya Ibu Dina. So will teaching Mrs. Dina teach is a monotone way. For example, just explain the material, being asked to do assessment, or even just taking notes. Nah, jadi si Ibu Dina ini mengajar dengan cara yang begitu monoton, seperti contohnya menjelaskan materi, hanya menjelaskan saja, bahkan mau hanya disuruh mencatat lah mungkin. So guys, do you think teaching monotonously is efficient?
I think this is so not efficient.
Why?
It's right, because the method of teacher is so boring and make us want to sleep.
Yes, want to sleep.
Your voice were lullabies. I would be listening till I was sleeping. But
Wow.
Okay,
It's
that's
not
right.
teaching like that is less efficient, guys. Jadi ternyata mengajar secara monoton ini nggak efisien untuk dilakukan ya. Nah, kenapa sih mengajar secara monoton ini nggak dilakukan? Nah, karena saat belajar kita juga harus merasakan rileks, nyaman, si guru nyaman, si siswa nyaman. Nah, supaya pembelajaran yang akan dilaksanakan bisa kita terima. Gitu nggak sih, guys?
That's right. Okay guys, from the case that Julie explained, we can connect to the theory and can relate from the theory. So the problem is the learning methods. Okay, first we must know that the meaning of learning methods, and then the meaning of interest in learning from the teacher, and the teacher relationship between the students, and then the teacher can give the student like motivation and also achievement in learning. Okay, this theory will be explained by Grace.
Thanks Suci for giving me the opportunity to speak, and thanks also to all of you who have secret story about the problem that occur in education in Indonesia. On this occasionally, let's discuss strongly about the problem that occur in Indonesia. Earlier we discussed the problem that occur in teacher we cannot master learning method and they make their student bored. Let's discuss specifically with me we have solved this problem. The low quality of student learning outcomes is caused by many Damayanti and Mudijono. Identify the factors that affect learning outcomes into factor, namely internal factor. Internal factor is student experience and live with the effect the learning process and a result include attitude towards learning, interest and motivation to learning, concentration, interest and motivation to learning, concentration of learning, ability to process learning material, ability to store the equation of learning result, and ability to store the equation of learning result, ability to process learning material, the ability to store the equation of learning, to ability to explore story learning outcomes, ability to achieve or demonstrate learning outcomes, student self-confidence, intelligence, and student learning success, and student learning habitat, while external factors include teacher as a learning coach, infrastructure and facility, learning coach, learning facility and infrastructure, assessment policy, student social environment at school and at home, and the school curriculum. In the world of education, there are various kinds of teaching methods which issues must be adjusted to various things, such as the situation and condition of teaching and learning activity, a going teaching and a learning activity, available facility, and so on must be must adjust to an education object to be achieved. Teacher naturally want to always improve themselves to improve the quality of teaching as well as deliver teaching material to students so that they are easier understood. In education, teacher want to make the teaching process function, the means that a teaching must master teaching method. Learning is trying to gain intelligence or knowledge, so that learning is an activity that must excite in human life in accordance with human interests that always want to progress, especially in the formal education process. Learning is very important. Elizabeth B. Harlock argues, learning is development that comes from exercise and effort. Learning is a development as a result of experience and effort. Can be understood learning is a development that occurs in the person who learns as a result of the experience and environment of the person. Effort and practice a person will be able to change himself to develop for a better adjustment is the result and have me achieved from what has been from what's done and so on. From this understanding, it can be understood that achievement is the knowledge gain or skill developed in school lessons which are usually shown in the following table. From this definition, it can be understood that achievement is the knowledge gain or skill developed in the school lesson which are usually indicated by the value given me the teacher, and this value can be high, medium, and low. Strong motivation in students will increase interest, willingness, and high enthusiasm in learning, because between motivation and enthusiasm for learning have a close relationship in the learning process. Motivation close activity learning, ensuring the continue of learning activity. So the described goals of the learning subject are achieved goals described by the learning subject can be achieved. Interests play a very important role in learning. With this motivation, students become diligent in the teaching and a learning process. And with high interest, it will be able to increase motivation. High interest will be able to increase the motivation as well. The quality of student learning outcomes can be judged properly if students who in the learning process have a strong clear interest will be diligent and successful in the learning. It is clear that they will be diligent and successful in their learning. Factor that affect learning achievement by Muhibah Syah in this book Educational Psychology with a new approach. He suggests factor that affect learning achievement as follow. 1. Internal factor. Factor flow with the study, namely physical and spiritual condition of student. External factor from outside the student, namely condition and environment around the student life. Learning occurrence factor in 3. Approach to learning, namely type of student learning effort, which includes timely and method that use by students to carry out learning activities, subject matter. So, for learning assessment according to Big Dictionary of Indonesia Language, assessment means be the result that have been achieved from what has been done and so on. Assessment in English is called achievement, which means a result of work. Purwadorminto states assessment as the result achieved by students in a lesson both in quality and amount of student work. Listen both the quality and amount of student work during a given period and measuring using tests that have been standardized. According to Nancy Simanjuntak, assessment is a series of standardized tests that are usually education in nature. Standardized tests that are usually education in nature. The learning method is a medium of transformation in a learning, so that the competence expand in methods that vary in accordance with the expect competence will stimulate interest and varied methods in accordance with the expect competence will stimulate the interest and motivation of with strong motivation, then learning assessment will increase. 2. Interest is learning is a strong impulse so that the emergency of energy to carry out a purposeful action that has a purpose. With strong interest, learning will be effective. The effectiveness of learning will contribute to maximum achievement. Learning assessment 3 is the result of learning that is achieved as one indicator of the assessment of certain competence. Assessment good assessment in the result of successful learning. Successful learning is one of the indicator the use of learning method. Okay, that's the theory I convention. I hope that education problem in Indonesia will return to normal and can make Indonesia from. So from me, Grace, I am opposite to Suci. Thank you.
Okay guys, so according to the theory who's discussed by Grace and then the case who's explained by Dewey, we can get the solution of the problem. And can Miss White explain the solution of the problem?
Okay, thank you for giving me chance. And the solution, in my opinion, the teacher Dina, this is problem her study method method is monotonously. And the solution, in my opinion, is the teacher can increase the professionalism with the, for example, workshop or study teacher group study yang bisa meningkatkan keprofesionalisme dari guru tersebut, and juga bisa membantu apa masalahnya sehingga kita tidak disukai oleh murid. Jadi para siswa tadi, apa penyebabnya sehingga mereka in the class feeling boring and want to asleep and not active. Nah, misalnya itu juga dengan seperti dari teori tadi, yaitu dengan membangkitkan semangat siswa or giving motivation. For the example, we are as a teacher give the students motivation setiap pagi misalnya. Jadi itu akan membangkitkan juga semangat si siswa tadi untuk belajar lebih giat lagi. Nah, selain itu juga si guru tadi misalnya dengan increase the professionalism tadi, yaitu dengan mengikuti workshop, itu bisa menggunakan berbagai media-media yang bisa membangkitkan semangat siswa juga belajar. Nah, kemudian ada juga lagi the next solution is tadi kan ada karena memberi tugasnya juga seperti mencatat atau ya kan menulis, jadi siswa boring. Nah, jadi bisa si guru giving assignment the students itu berdasarkan the students hobbies. Nah, misalnya Jui sebagai siswa ya, si Jui ini that has the hobbies singing, and the teacher giving assignment, misalnya tugasnya itu susah, jadi kalau cuma menulis, si Jui ini tadi malas, bosan, capek juga kan nulis panjang-panjang, terus kayak nanti bahkan ada guru yang setelah itu nggak diperiksa juga kadang, karena malas juga memeriksa seperti masalah tadi itu kegiatannya si guru tadi bergilir seperti itu setiap hari, jadi nggak ada monoton, nggak ada yang seru. Nah, dengan misalnya memberikan giving assignment from the hobbies, misalnya memberi Jui ini tadi tugasnya menghafal, nah dikasih tugas menghafalnya dia hobi menyanyi, menyanyi gitu, jadi lebih termotivasi, lebih seru aja jadinya kan, namanya his hobbies. Nah, jadi si student tadi juga lebih early, lebih awal dia mengerjakan tugasnya daripada kayak menonton biasa.
The students interest with the part learning with the teacher tadi di matematika.
Iya, begitu. Jadi itu sih ya, mungkin dengan meningkatkan keprofesionalismenya, seperti yang juga kita udah dapatkan di course educational professionalism, dan juga dengan metode-metode pembelajaran yang berbeda dan menarik. Karena terkadang ada juga murid ini dia hobinya gambar, nah jadi bisa juga dengan gambar-gambar dia lebih suka menggambar daripada mendengarkan. Seperti kita lah, kita pasti bosan hanya
The teacher must be creative.
Creative. Can make the sing of the material.
I know.
Begitu.
Okay, when the problem or the case of the teacher and the students in Indonesia, that the teacher must be creative to interest the student to learn the her course. So juga thank you for Niswa from the solution who yang diberikannya tadi gitu. Oke, sampai di sini diskusi kami hari ini tentang permasalahan yang ada di Indonesia yang terkait dengan guru dan murid. Dan sampai sini apabila ada kata-kata yang salah kami mohon maaf, dan ada perbuatan yang salah juga kami mohon maaf. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.